What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another show. It's your boy DJ Cutz. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of the OnStage VLD360 LED ring light kit. I didn't see too many on YouTube, so I figured I'll throw this on here and everybody can see how it is. This is perfect for your DJ setup. It'll brighten up your turntables for sure. But it comes with a tripod, as you see right there, a desktop stand you can put the ring light on, the Bluetooth controller, the LED rings about 10 inches big, round, with the phone adapter, and you see everything else right there. Let's get into it right now. All right, here we go. We're gonna put this together real quick. Nothing special. I'm gonna fast forward real fast, but you see this is the desktop stand right here. It just screws right into the bottom of the. It's a pretty heavy weight. It screws right in, and you can see the 10-inch round light. You can attach that to the top, or you see the tripod as well. The tripod is pretty high. Let me fast forward and we'll get to the actual setup right now. Okay, we're back. Let's check this out. And it's on the tripod right now. It's an awesome light, actually. It's affordable light. I believe I paid $44 for it. I got it from sweetwater.com. They're a good website. I get everything from there. But I'm gonna attach my phone. You'll see how it is. It'll definitely brighten up your set. It makes it look a lot cleaner. And let me turn it on right now. It's two different light settings. You got the white light and you got the yellow light, and you can see it already brightens it up. I have the lights on in here, but it definitely brightens it up and makes it look fresh. But this is perfect if you want to stream live. And I'm gonna do another video. It's called the iRig Stream. It's by IK Multimedia, and you can see how you can stream directly into a lot of people are doing Instagram. But if you want to stream from your phone, this is a perfect device. Will get the audio straight into your phone. But as you see here, oops, that's not supposed to happen. Just kidding. But no, it's really sturdy. You can see, and it brightens up your set. This is a good affordable piece. Some of these things are about over $100, $200. If you want something affordable, this is the perfect thing right here. But check out the next video. I'm gonna be recording IK Multimedia's iRig Stream, and check it out.